In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from your organization in the admin console. If you need to remove someone from your workspace, the process is straightforward, but it's important to do it carefully so that no active work gets left behind. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and one key thing to pay attention to before the removal is finalized. To begin, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a menu with account-related options. From that menu, select Admin Console. This is the area where organization level settings and user management tools are located, so if you're responsible for managing members, this is where you'll make the change. Once you're inside the Admin Console, move to the sidebar and click on the Members tab. This section displays the people who currently belong to your organization. Depending on the size of your team, you may see a short list or a longer directory of users. Take a moment to locate the specific account you want to remove so you can be sure you're editing the correct person. After you find that user, look to the right of their name and click the three-dot menu. This opens a set of actions available for that account. From the menu, choose Remove from Organization. This option starts the removal process and tells the system that this member should no longer have access to your organization. Before the action is completed, you'll need to reassign any open tasks that still belong to that user. This is an important step because it helps keep projects moving and prevents unfinished work from becoming disconnected from your team. Select another member who should take over those open tasks and make sure the reassignment is correct before confirming. If you're unsure who should receive the work, it's a good idea to pause and verify internally first, since task ownership can affect project visibility and accountability. Once the open tasks have been reassigned, complete the removal. At that point, the user will be removed from the organization, and their remaining active responsibilities will already be passed to the new assignee. That's all it takes to remove a member through the admin console. Just remember to double check the account you're selecting and review the task reassignment carefully so the transition is smooth and nothing important is missed.